Hello, I'm Cindy Davidson and I'm sharing Wikispaces with you today. I'm a huge fan of online collaboration using Google Docs. In fact, I use it at home with my husband for everything from shopping lists, planning, packing for trips, and drafting joint emails. Since I was so familiar with Google, I thought I would check out something that I wasn't familiar with, and that's wikis. If you can't tell already, I read the article Cloud-Based Tools Cloud-Based Tools are giving K-12 collaboration a boost. The possibilities of cloud-based collaboration in classrooms are really endless, and that's super exciting for me as a parent and as a teacher. This one that I'm sharing with you today wasn't one of the sites listed in the article, but the wiki that was listed was kind of difficult for me to use, and it was going to be difficult for me to kind of really explore since I don't have an actual classroom. Since I had heard of Wikispaces before and hadn't had a chance to check it out, I thought this was the perfect opportunity. So let me show you around. So I'm going to sign in here. And the first thing that happens when you sign in is you get a dashboard. If you can see here, it says favorite wikis. That means that you can have a wiki for every class. If you're someone that has 6 or 7 classes in a day, each class can have their separate wikis. Once you click on your wiki, you have kind of a secondary dashboard where you can have various conversations and kind of like a scroll of what's happened lately. At the top here, you can create a new page, add files, add something to discuss, projects, and events. I think that I'm most excited about the idea of adding a project so that you can create teams of people. They can work together and collaborate together aside from the rest of the class. I attempted to check it out a little bit with my kids' accounts, and I posted a question and had my kids respond. As you can see here, Sam thinks it's the book with no pictures is funny. There's a way to send introductions. As a teacher, you can click on members and see who is a member. You can click on your projects. Obviously, I don't have any right now. Your events. And you can even add assessments. And I haven't done any of that yet, but I really like that it shows the engagement, excuse me, because you can really kind of see how long students are on the wiki and actually using it. The article discussed using the wiki or using another wiki for responding to student writing, but I thought with this wider wiki platform, you could be using it for that and a whole lot more. You could have students posting their work and other students commenting on it. You could discuss assignments or have a writing prompt where the students have to respond to it. You can give facts to remember. So I was thinking, like, you do a history lesson and students could log on and add their facts that they think are the most important from that lesson or something. I don't know, I'm kind of pulling it. Or give opinions on a novel, that kind of thing. As I go back to we'll go back to this. I had a hard time coming up with a negative. So far, the only thing I've come up with is that you don't get emails if someone responds to you. And that could be helpful as a student if I want to be able to go back and see if somebody responded to a question I have or whatever. It'd be great to get an email saying, hey, so-and-so responded to you, but that doesn't seem to be a setting somewhere, at least not where I've found it so far. Doesn't mean it's not there. I've gone over a lot of the positives already, but I think a huge positive is the ease of use as you work around the site. This was super easy. I mean, to type in a comment and then post, I can't wait for 4th of July, and then to post, and it's there. And if another child wants to come up and post, they can add their things, and it's really super easy to add. Even, as soon as kids can work the computer, they could totally use this. So I think that's the biggest plus that is there. So overall, I think it's a really great site. It supports the idea that online technology can be utilized for collaboration. And I guess that's all I have to add. Have a great weekend. Talk to you later.